Guys, when you think of hearing aids, you probably imagine those bulky beige things that your grandparents used to fiddle with, right? Well, forget that, because these are the Cearvol Lite over-the-counter hearing aids. And honestly, they look and feel more like a pair of premium wireless earbuds than anything medical. They've got AI noise control, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, and a custom-tuned app that adapts to your hearing profile. And the best part, you don't even need to book an audiologist appointment. So stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly what you get, how they perform, and why these could be the future of affordable hearing tech. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the Cearvol Lite OTC hearing aids, and I'll be honest, I was properly curious when I first heard about these. They promise up to 40 decibels of hearing enhancement, AI-powered noise reduction, and Bluetooth 5.3 audio playback, so you can even use them like traditional earbuds for calls and music. And they're designed for mild to moderately severe hearing loss. And they come packed with features that sound more like something from a high-end headset than a traditional hearing aid. Now guys, before we get into it, Cearvol reached out to me and asked me to take a look at these hearing aids and give them an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get them out of the box and see what we have. First up guys, you get some paperwork, and you know what, it's always important to read the paperwork, as even though these bad boys are over the counter, they still have a lot of features. Then guys, you have the Lite charge case. I'm going to put that down for a second, as underneath you've got all of your accessories. You've got a USB-C charge cable, you've got a 3.5mm auxiliary lead so you can connect them to your TV or audio source. You've got a cleaning brush, you've got a bunch of different ear tips in different sizes. You've got the user manual and quick start guide, which walks you through the setup of the Cearvol app. Now back to this charging case guys, which looks properly premium. I mean, it looks like something that you'd get from Bose or Sony. It's a nice compact design with a USB-C port on the back. And you know what? That's your first win. Why? Because with just 15 minutes of charge, you're going to get around 3 hours of use, which is brilliant if you've got to head out quickly. Now, pop the lid open and you will find the hearing aids themselves sitting neatly in their magnetic cradles. They've got that sleek metallic finish and subtle design, which means they don't scream hearing aid. Now guys, for me, comfort is the big one, and this is where the Lite really impresses. They're incredibly lightweight, discreet, and comfortable. You can wear them for hours at a time with no ear fatigue, no pressure, no irritation. They genuinely feel like modern earbuds, and most people won't even realize that you're wearing them. Once powered on, these things start showing their brains. They run on Cearvol's AI 2.0 deep neural network, which means they learn how you hear and they optimize the sound accordingly. Instead of boosting everything like old school hearing aids, they intelligently focus on speech while reducing unwanted background noise. And that means voices sound clearer, background noise fades away naturally, and there's no feedback or hiss, even in noisy environments. The overall sound quality is clean, rich, and stable, with great balance between treble and bass. Also guys, you've got 4 listening modes. You've got indoor, you've got conversation, you've got restaurant, and outdoor. All switchable with a simple triple tap and fine-tuned for different scenarios. If you want more control, head over to the Cearvol app on the iPhone or Android. Inside the app, You can personalize everything from volume and tone to left and right balance, and even run a built-in hearing test so the AI can adapt precisely to your ears. Guys, also audio processing is handled by a 24-channel WDRC acoustic system, giving you a natural full spectrum sound. I mean, I tested these in cafes, on walks and while watching films, and you know what? The clarity stayed consistent across every situation. They also double as Bluetooth 5.3 wireless earbuds, letting you stream music, podcasts and calls with minimal lag and excellent stability. And guys, battery life is another strong point. Around 3.5 hours with a 15-minute quick charge, and with the charging case you're covered for the whole day. They're IPX5 water resistant rated, so light rain and sweat is no problem. And guys, it's worth noting that these are definitely the future, because OTC, over the counter, and ITE, in the ear hearing aids are a fast growing new trend. People want affordable, discreet, comfortable devices that they can buy and fit themselves without the stigma of traditional hearing aids. And this form factor just makes sense. So guys, there you have it. The Cearvol Wave Lite OTC hearing aids are sleek, comfortable and genuinely smart. You're getting AI-powered sound processing, stable high-quality audio with no feedback, Bluetooth 5.3, app customization, 24-channel WDRC, USB-C fast charging, and a premium compact case in a discreet modern design. And guys, for the price, these are seriously impressive. If you ever thought hearing aids were clunky, obvious or overpriced, give these a look. They might completely change the way you think about hearing aids. And guys, at the time of this video, you can grab a set of these for just $399. And honestly, compared to other systems, that is a steal. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you've got any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Cearvol for sending me these cool hearing aids to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.